Well, good morning, groupie. Looks like my neighbors are finally building a driveway in front of their house. Oh, man. Finally. There we go. You hear all the noise in the background, or can you? Oh, but here's the work. I ended up doing, see on this side over here, see that board, I put new boards over here. I still need to nail that down on top. And I'm going to put some kind of galvanized metal trim. It's called roof drip edge, is what it's called. Here's my baseboard right here, and all of that. And we're going to be getting that. There's my baseboard from out here in the street. I'm not out in the street, I'm not even to the sidewalk. Then I got my grass edged and mowed day before yesterday, so that's done. Okay. What else we got here? Yeah, it looks like they're going to be building a new driveway over there. Okay. Well, in this neighborhood, we got a lot going on around here. My project's now there. See, they got a lot of timber out there. So I'm being careful how I record. I'm looking at the direction they're looking and stuff. Because there are some companies, people, they will get paranoid if you're recording them. Oh, yes. So you have to be very careful about that. Some people, man, so, okay. But anyway, so much for this. Okay, my plans, I'm not going to do anything today. I'm going to catch up on my rest, people. But anyway, later, and I love you, Almighty God. I love you, Jesus Christ. I am very blessed. There's one of those cats. There's another over there. Now, I love my baby. Later, everybody.